Hi, I am Kenneth Q of Universe Feng Shui. Stick around as I am about to reveal the true lucky color of the year 2026. Looking at this Patsy chart, or the four pillars of destiny, we first identify the Day Master. From there, we determine which of the 10 gods within the heavenly stems and earthly branches represent wealth attraction for 2026. As you can see on the chart, there is an abundance of fire elements and a complete absence of water. For a Yin Earth Day Master, water is the wealth element because Earth controls the water. Also, water is essential to calm the excessive fire and bring balance back to the chart. To invite wealth luck this year, try wearing blue clothes, hanging blue curtains, or placing clean water bowl in the center of your home. Want to learn more about your Patsy chart? Type yes in the comments and follow my page for everyday feng shui updates.